Check out my screen here. This video is all about this scam going around. Apparently there's a Ninja portable blender scam involving the TJ Maxx logo and a bunch of other stuff. This is a scam. TJ Maxx has nothing to do with it. Ninja has nothing to do with this whatsoever. And it says the email came from something about climatekids.net, which I've seen before. There are a lot of these scams out there in emails that promise products from big name companies that you've heard of, and you're going to be able to receive it, answer and win, enroll in a loyalty program, that sort of a thing, but it's all a big scam. And it went to XUAREMONDA, XUAREMonda.com, some sort of a scam website. And it says, you've won a Ninja portable blender or whatever. Some of you probably already did this, or these fake reviews down here. Let's skip through that. Start survey, fake survey. No one's ever going to look at your answers. They're not collecting anything. This is just to make you think, oh, wow, I'm taking a survey. This is how I'm going to get the free, really pricey thing. And you're not going to get anything. It's a big scam. Don't believe any of it. I'm just choosing any answers here. Doesn't matter. Please wait while we process your answers. 3 steps here. Answers submitted, IP address check, products available in stock. Wow, I qualify. Big surprise. Everyone qualifies. It claims here that instead of paying $60, you're only going to pay $0, pay only for shipping. And that's always the hook with these scams, is they claim that, you're going to get something for a really great price or for free. You just got to pay shipping. And of course, what do they get whenever you pay shipping? They get your credit card number or your debit card number or some sort of a payment method from PayPal, Venmo, Cash App, Zelle, whatever. That's what they're going for. They want to get that information. Don't give it out. And if you click claim now, and oh wow, you're going to receive it in 5 to 7 days, just pay your shipping cost. Click continue. And it goes to bubbleprizesmonthly.com. Notice how I just went down to 4 in stock, 3 in stock. That is fake. They're trying to give you a sense of urgency. Oh, I better fill this out really quick. I better fill out my details and get this free thing, or I'm not going to get one. And, that's as scammy as it gets, trying to get you to give away your information with more BS, more lies. And it's not surprising, though. And so here it says fill out your details. It looks like you're going to be able to win one. You're going to be able to buy one, just pay shipping right. But here is the catch. You go all the way down, and you zoom in. There's a phone number, by the way, if you need it, 877-750-6728 for customer service for bubbleprizesmonthly.com, apparently. Terms and conditions, and let's get to the catch right here. So it says, let me go down just a little bit here, how to enter. It says that if you are making a purchase on this website, it looks like it says you're signing up for a paid subscription of the Boom Boom Nutrition app. And it doesn't say here what that costs, but it does say that this thing about a Ninja blender or whatever, Ninja Blast portable blender that's appearing in the emails and everything, that this is apparently a sweepstakes, and I think one person will win is what the terms and conditions say. You did not win one. You're not going to be able to just win it by filling out your information. That's kind of what it made you think was going to happen with the emails, and maybe it's a little more safe, a little more clear here on the website, but that's what you're getting yourself into. You're signing up for a paid subscription of something that is not made completely clear whenever you fill out your name and your credit card and all that. You have to read the terms and conditions. There's no checkbox that says that you agree to the terms and conditions, which is something that normally you see on a company's website if there is something buried in the terms and conditions. And so that's what's going on here. And so if you have any other information about this, if you found a different phone number or you received a charge and you want to tell me exactly how much it is for this subscription that's buried in the terms and conditions, please do so. Hit the like button down below, the thumbs up button. That will tell Google and YouTube my video has value. And off to the right at the thumbs up, thumbs down, share, and save buttons and download, I think, is a thanks button. And sometimes a heart-shaped symbol that has a $sign. If you want to tap that, that'd be great. And if you did get involved in this and you can't find a way other than the phone number and you're having issues trying to cancel or whatever it may be, you might want to contact your credit card company if you used a credit card, debit card, your bank, or any other financial institution like a payment method like PayPal, Venmo, Cash App, Zelle, whatever you used. Contact them and tell them what happened and say that you need some help if you can't contact the websites or whatever it may be. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching.